Hello guys, this is me Ayan here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to remove background completely from this image to this image. Let's get started. We are going to remove this background by using quick selection tool. This is me by the way in this image. Let's select the quick selection tool. I'm going to start selecting from the head, top to bottom. Just click and drag following the outline. Let me fast forward this for saving some time. Do the selection slowly and accurately. This will ensure that the selection is just as the outline of the image. If you like this video or if it really helped you, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the selection is done. Now we need to smooth the outline. Go to Select, Refine Edge. The red area shows the selected part. Just move the smooth slider. You can see that the outline is already smooth. Now hit OK. Let's copy the background layer before removing the background. Now hit the layer mask icon. The background is already removed. Let me hide the previous layer to show you. As you can see, the background is already removed. In this way, you can use your image anywhere. That's all guys for today. We'll be back soon with another video. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.